last Friday, April the 1st or so, 2nd, 2022. We picked up some trash of a little old lady that died, and there was a box full of old 40 and 50 and 60-year-old letters. And the guy I was with, he didn't want them. He said I couldn't get any of them, trying to preserve them. All the old stamps and old postmarks and Christmas cards. So they made it from Panama City out here to Stillfield. So right amongst here. Here's the lady's personal, lifelong collection of her letters and correspondence, and it's gone to the masses now.